welcome back to Tip Tuesday. Today we're talking all things horizontal. I don't know about you, but I've been a little leery about wearing horizontal stripes as a mature woman. But today we're gonna debunk the myth that you cannot wear horizontal stripes unless you're a size 0. What? No way. So today we're gonna look at an amazing tip to help you look and feel like $1,000,000 in horizontal stripes. The first thing we need to understand is, why do horizontal stripes make us appear wider? When someone looks at us straight on, what their eye is going to fall to is the largest portion of your body that's visual to them, or the thing that is central to their eye. So if you have no accessories on, their eye is going to fall on the largest open portion of your body that their eye can catch. And usually when you're wearing those horizontal stripes, it is going to be the midsection here. So whenever you are wearing jewelry, what's going to happen is the eye is going to catch that and move in the direction of the accessories. So let's take a look at how that really does affect how someone views you when you wear horizontal stripes. In this example, we're going to look at how a high polished silver long necklace can really truly transform this outfit. Let's take a look. We're going to take this long necklace that's a little bit chunkier in the pendants, and it is a high polished silver to contrast the darkness of this particular fabric. Look at how whenever you put this particular necklace, how immediately it draws the viewer's eye from horizontal before to vertical as it catches your eye and makes your eye move downward on the person that's wearing it. The next thing we want to look at is how adding the right accessories with your vertical necklace that can truly help this outfit. What we want to do is we want to pair something that has a little bit of sparkle, a contrast to whatever color your shirt is on the wrist. We want to add those on our wrist. So what happens is it pulls the viewer's eye not only down because of the verticalness of your necklace, but also because your hands have the same polished color in the metal. It's going to keep the viewer's eye moving downward. So we're going to add a chunky bracelet on one wrist and then a complementary bracelet on the other that's a little smaller in size but still picks up the shine in both of them. So what happens is when someone then looks at you just straight on, their eye is going to automatically go down and continue to go down as your hands are down, and they follow the shininess of the metal. So they're looking at you more vertically rather than horizontally, which helps you appear thinner and taller and more confident. So grab that accessory at home and give this look a try. The next tip I want to show you is how the power of contrast can really help make a difference when you're wearing your horizontal stripes. So let's take a look at this particular outfit. In this example, we are going to take a contrasting color rather than a complementary color to this particular stripes. Usually stripes are going to come in usually a 2 to 3 color pattern, unless if you have a multicolor pattern. So when you have a dual striped shirt, what you want to do is pick a contrasting color. So today we're actually going to show you how to take, I have a black and white shirt, we're going to contrast it with a copper, and I'm going to show you how to pair copper accessories to help this outfit appear super gorgeous. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to add our copper necklace. In this particular example, because my shirt is horizontal and it is striped, which has a lot of visual clutter to the eye, what I'm going to do is add something that is vertical. So we're staying with that vertical pattern, but it's a thicker seed bead necklace, and it's going to be a nice contrast to the black and the white. So what we're going to do is we're going to add this seed bead necklace, and you're going to see how the contrast of the dark copper onto the black and white makes a real visual impact and helps your eyes start to move down the body. Now I'm going to show you how changing a few things with this outfit completely changes the look. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to add that same copper color on the wrist. Remember how we talked in the first example, how the eye begins to move downward, and adding the color that is in the accessory here onto the wrist keeps the eye moving down. The next thing we did is we added just a couple of copper bracelets on the other hand. So what happens is the eye continues to move downward. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add just a little copper ring, so just a little more touch of the contrast on our hand. But we're not going to stop there. If you caught one of our other videos, you're going to see how adding the right shoes that picks up the color in the metals really does make a difference. So in this outfit, I have black boots on, but I'm going to show you how just changing those boots to brown to pick up the warmth in the color of the copper necklace really does complete this outfit. So now that we've changed out our shoes to the brown color boots, which pulls the warm tones out of the copper pieces we're wearing, it totally completes this outfit. So grab those horizontal stripes at home, pull them out of your closet, and don't be afraid to wear them. Pair them with vertical pieces of jewelry, remembering to add the complementary pieces on the wrist, and also coordinate with a contrasting color in your shoe if you're going to contrast it with your accessories. So grab those horizontal shirts at home and pair them with vertical pieces of jewelry and give that a try. Hopefully that'll be an amazing blessing in your life. Don't forget the most important thing, girls, and that is you are beautiful. Yes, Ladybug, you right there. You are beautiful no matter what you wear. God bless you, and we'll see you right back here next week on Tip Tuesday. The first thing we need to do is we need to debunk. In this example, we're going to look at In this example, we're going to look at In this example, we're going to look at how. Why, Wendy? Why? In this example, we're going to look at how.